What's going on there, YouTube family and friends? Johnny here, channel's Johnny 5 Alive. We've got a special guest here. What's your name, buddy?
Jackson Bautista.
Yeah, what's going on? All right, we're gonna open up some Walmart packs. My wife went to the Walmart. She found a couple of them. She goes, "Hey, I got you a surprise." I was like, "What is it?" She wouldn't tell me, so I got home, and they're here. So she got me 3 Walmart packs, and we're gonna open them up. I kind of opened one up already, so let's see what I got. This was the cover, Star Wars Life Day. This is Han Solo and Chewbacca on the cover.
Can I see?
Sure. Here. See Chewbacca?
Huh?
Mm-hmm. Be careful.
Chewbacca?
Careful how you hold them, okay? Yeah, just hold them like this, to the side, okay? Sounds good. Don't step on them, okay? And then a Khazar, Lord of Savage Land. Okay, it's a dinosaur, T-Rex. And that's Khazar. Number 2, guys.
Captain America.
Yeah. Let me turn on the light so you guys can see. All right. Yeah, it's Captain America in the back. Okay, so there's that one. And then Non-Stop Spider-Man number 5. Look, remember Spidey Friend? You watched that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's a Miles Morales.
Does Miles Morales?
Mm-hmm.
Ghost Lady and Spider-Man.
Yeah. Okay,
And
so
there's another Spider-Man.
yep. So let's open up another pack. I'll pre-open these. So let's open it up. These you gotta be pretty much careful because you can bend your books pretty bad. So this one is a Black Panther number 1. I really like this cover. The only thing is, it looked like somebody dropped it, so it has a corner ding right there on the side. See Black Panther?
Black Panther.
You like him, huh?
Yeah.
And this is Fantastic Four number 37.
And he had the
Look
skeleton.
at a pumpkin.
Wait, skeleton.
Yeah, it's a Halloween special.
And this
I actually like that cover.
Captain America.
Captain America in the back. Okay, and the next one is Defenders. It does not say. Number 3. Sorry, guys. I didn't see that. It was blending in. See, that's a Defenders.
Oh, it's another Captain America.
Yeah, another Captain America in the back. I'm going to have to get you that watch, huh?
Yeah.
Now let's open up the last pack and see what I got. Now this cover I really like. So she knows my picks. This is a Wolverine patch. Why are you sticking my butt? Wolverine patch number 1. I like that cover. Jax. So who's that? Wolverine.
What?
Why you keep smiling your head? And then this is a Moon Knight number 5.
What?
Moon Knight number 5.
What does it say?
See the Moon Knight? Moon Knight number 5. Be careful, you're going to step on the books.
Moon
Oh, who's that in the back?
Iron Man.
Yeah.
He's made of iron.
Iron Man. Okay,
And he's made of
and then this is X-Men Legends.
Oh, you remember that guy?
Mm-hmm.
And that guy, and that guy, and that guy.
Yeah.
Both of the guys.
Number 10.
I know.
That's Magneto in the front.
Hi.
Alright guys, so let me know what you guys think of these Walmart packs. Thumbs up, thumbs down, you guys let me know. And if I can find some prices for them, I'll put them, like right here, or I won't cover his face, I'll put them up here or something. But you guys have a good one, and peace out guys. Come over here and say bye. Bye. We're gonna go to Home Depot, huh? Yes?
Yeah.
Alright guys, you guys have a good one.